Check mic. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. Kung saan we talk about technically stock market, but generally making money, right? Stock market trading, hindi lang sa stock market, but also into Forex, NFTs, which is very hot right now. Crypto, if you want. Yan, lahat po ng pwede natin mapagkitaan, pinag-uusapan natin yan. But mainly, we talk about stock market kasi yun yung pinaka-expertise ko talaga di ba? And I'm here to guide you, especially if you're a newbie and your stock market journey. Hopefully, I can cut that learning curve. I can help cut that learning curve short for you guys, which is the most challenging part of trading, yung pag-uumpisa pa lang talaga. And that's because it's so challenging, a lot of Filipinos who start in the stock market tend to quit because mali yung simula nila. And that's the reason why the Daily Grind is here. Stocks is here. Financial Freedom 101 is here. So please help me with my goal. Please share this video. Paki-share po itong video nito to your friends, to your relatives who maybe want to go into the stock market and invest. And to your trading groups, if you have any trading groups out there, please share this to them so that mga newbies doon magkabayan natin. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ayan. Let me just lower the volume really quick because I think this is the intro audio is too strong. But anyways, yan, updates tayo. PSEI is hitting resistances, but yeah, MREIT, yun yung topic natin ngayon. Me personally, I told you MREIT is good, and I told you it is good enough. Maganda yung MREIT, and today debut na MREIT, very impressive debut. Right, it was up 6.46 at the early parts of the market, but ended up closing at 3.73 for a stock that is sobrang daming supply. For stock that is a dividend-based stock, MREIT, this is an impressive climb. And is this gonna continue an uptrend? Maybe, pero always look for a good entry, okay? Wag yung nagliliparan tapos hinahabol nyo kasi magbababa rin naman yan in the future, di ba? So always go for a pullback before you really wanna get in. Let's go to the comments. Ayun, PSEI nga pala. PSEI, we talked about PSEI. Resistances are there and there's strong resistance at 6986 6988 level. Their resistance is at until mga 7,000 and we were able to somehow predict this. Pero net foreign buying ngayon is very big. 2.84 billion. So, that's looking good. Right? Infrastructures, maganda naman yung mga news, mga catalyst natin, infrastructure. So many infrastructures are being finished right now. So, that's good for the country. Yun nga lang, COVID fights natin, may magandang news naman. We are already going to a second phase of the vaccination response that can help the economy. Hopefully mag-break out naman tayo. But with the elections drawing near, I think the market is gonna slow down. Pero ang ganda ng volume today, especially sa net foreign buying natin, 2.84 billion. Right? So hopefully pinasok nyo na yung mga assets niyo. SCC, grabe, 52-week high. Congratulations sa mga nakasakay kay SCC noon. Alright, RRC went up 5.31% after the fallout. Baka mag-reversal na yan. Tignan lang natin. But yeah, impressive gains by MREIT just today. So, we can't really say technical analysis-wise kung maganda ba itong pasukin. But if you have any questions, let me know about it. DD-REIT, we talked about DD-REIT before. Kailan ba lalabas si DD-REIT? DDMPR, di ba? Si DDMPR may tanong DDMPR though, yan. So support is right there for DDMPR. That's the best entry right there. Makagandaan nito is maganda na yung position niya with the dividends that you can draw. There's the risk though, kaya po hirap itong umakyat because of the risk na karamihan kasi sa mga ni DD, tenants ni DD is into Pogo and may development kasi sa Pogo which is I would say not really good for the industry. So DD-REIT DDMPR might be hit, and that's the reason why hirap ito umakyat. Right? But considering the current dividends that it has, it should be very good. I will not recommend it though because of yun nga yung threat of the Pogo going out. Diba? But then again, let's go muna sa comments natin. Right. I'm gonna be changing the music. Saan nga ba yun? Hi-Fi. Alright. I want to make sure na hindi ganong kalakasan yung background music. Let me know if ever malakas yung background music ka. Tinitimpla ko pa kasi to. I'll put it at 20%. Yan. Hindi yata sync vid and audio, coach. Hindi sync ang vid and audio. I think so. You're right. I think you're right. Hindi nga sync ang Check, Mike. There's some delay in my OBS. Let me try to masisira yung live ko eh. So medyo delay yung video. I'm not really sure what the problem is. Stop replay buffer. If I stop the replay buffer, hopefully this will help it. But anyways, bahala na yan. Don't mind the audio. Balitan ko lang yung mukha ko para hindi distracting, okay? Kamusta? Hopefully you've already shared the video. Thank you for sharing. Alright, sa mga nanonood sa atin through YouTube, good PM to all. Ron Sabat, Magabi, Sir Lloyd, Idol, Buutan, o Gambungan. I love you. From Lawrence Sabat. Thank you so much, man. Pasensya na if ever hindi sync yung audio tsaka yung video. Must be something wrong with my PC. Hindi ko na restart kasi to. So, must be with the PC. But anyways, yan. Norman, Helmer, Magat, good evening. It's a Friday night nga pala, so hindi naman tayo gaano magtatagal ngayon. I don't really want to hold you off too long on the Friday evening. I'm really impressed that you are studying stock market. You are watching stock market related materials on a Friday evening. You're on the right path for financial freedom, di ba? Right. Norman Elmer Magat, good evening. Earl John Ginto, Al Kisto, good evening, Sir Lloyd. This is Alfred Kisto. Na-hack lang po ang lumang account ko, kaya ito na po ang gagamitin ko. Alright, good to know. Good that you let me know, Al Kisto. J. Andrew Prangan, would you invest in Yellow Cab or Greenwich, Sir Lloyd? When I invest in something for long term especially, I really tend to look at the growth factor. And right now, I can't see how Greenwich will expand when there's Pizza Hut that's already good, etc. So I'm not really a fan of Greenwich. Yellow Cab, tignan nyo po. Ganito lang yan ha. When I decide to invest on something, I want to make sure I see it on the streets. I see it from randomly from people walking down the street, ganito ganyan. Pag may nakikita ko iPhone, yan, maganda yan. If I see people listening to Spotify, maganda yan. If I see people posting about Netflix, etc., maganda investan yan. Sad to say, I don't see Yellow Cab that much. I don't see many people bringing Yellow Cab here and there. Greenwich also, no. So that's my mindset, right? If I see something becoming, what do you call this? Not just a short-term fad, pero nakikita ko malakas siya talaga. Maybe a year or so, yeah, I would say, dun ako papasok, right? I want to invest in that company. Pero, if hindi ko nakikita gaano, then I'm not gonna be investing, right? So that's my mindset when it comes to investing talaga. Hi po, maaga ko tonight. Sabi ni Johanna Marie, good evening. Ishi Marimat, magandang gabi rin. Norman Magat, pasensya na hindi sync yung audio, video and audio natin. Not really sure why. Check. Di talaga. I'm not sure bakit ganito. So, pasensya na. Right. It's disturbing. Yeah, I know. Understand. Pero ayokong itigil yung live. Wala kasi akong... Alam nyo naman na libre lang tong programa na to. So, as much as possible, yung oras ko dito, I spend time for preparation, ganito, ganyan. Pero, hindi ko na aanuhan talaga ng malaking oras. So, ako lang pa kasi, ako na nagsiset up ng everything, cameras, lights, microphones, even my electric fan, ako lang. So, hindi ko na nararan ng maaga. So, hindi ko nabantayan yan. So, marami ako nami-miss because of that. But anyways, it's still okay as long as we are able to send out the message to everyone. That should be okay. Daljan Maumay, magandang gabi. Norman Magat, how about DD8 coach? Alright, Joe Castillo, good evening. Sir, pa-check po ng home. Let's check out home. Mag-charting tayo. Right. All home. Ayan, very good. Nag-breakout si all home. So, if you are trading this one out, nag-rest below na resistance eh. Short-term breakout right here. This should be good. Maganda ang volume niya. I would say yes, that's a buy. This is your support right here, especially for short-term trade. Okay? That's a buy. Good find for all home. Says Narvalis, good evening, sir. Good to buy GMA7 now, Sir Lloyd. GMA7, it's not good to buy right now because it's way up there. Sorry. GMA7. If you're trend trading, 11.48 is the best entry for you. If makapasok kayo malapit dyan, then that's a good entry for you, right? For trading. Earl John Ginto, grabe pala SEC. Di ko chinecheck yung SEC since binili ko during start ng pandemic for dividend purposes and ang bagal ng PSA kaya iniwan ko lang. Next, Red Sir, TP ko na siguro. Yes, I would say sell half. Ang lakas ng momentum na SEC. And net foreign buying pa naman siya. I would say sell half of it lang pag pumula. If malaki na yung kita nyo since the start of pandemic, let me just load my chart layout really quick. Right, SCC. Good find, man. Start of the pandemic is right here in this area, 9.21 for dividend purpose. That's a wise buy right there, man. Bottom right here, nakita nyo bottom to pandemic and then nag-bottom out ulit. That is a double bottom and divergence even. Look at that beautiful divergence. That would have been a perfect entry point. If dyan nyo pinasok, that's 152% gain. More than 152. Hindi pa to na-shoot talaga. So, good win, man. Good win right here. Galing. Okay? Sell half of it. If ever pumula man siya, take profits. 152%, that's way up there, man. Congratulations, Erjan Ginto. Galing. Rowena Villa, may gabi. Ran Tabilas, good evening, sir. BTC po. Let's check out BTC. Bitcoin. Hindi kanyan. BTS. BTC USD. And Bitcoin. And Bitcoin rallied. Sabi sa inyo eh, bilhin nyo na eh. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, bilhin nyo na 40. Hindi tayo nakapag-live kagabi. But the previous live natin, we talked about Bitcoin. You buy some and then when it goes further down, you buy more. Kasi anything can happen, right? Bitcoin went up for today, 852%. That would have been a very good gain for you. If ever you heed my call. And that's already 17% gains in just 2 days. If ever pinasok nyo on the day that I told you na pwede nyo nang bilhin, that's a 15% gain for you already. Pullback and bounce is your next entry if hindi pa kayo nakapasok, right? But the best talaga na strategy for these coins right here is whenever it pulls back and stabilizes, you buy some and you buy some more, right? Especially right now na mas healthy na yung galaw ni Bitcoin, diba? Paul Jimentera, good evening, Sir Lloyd. What are your thoughts niyo po sa MBT? Thank you. Let's check out Metro Bank. Christopher Romano, anyong sa'yo. Anyong. Alright. Support, major support for MBTs right here. We are sitting at supports right now. Hard to say, man. Pero si MBT, good company right here. Maganda na may earnings niya. Second quarter, 26%. First quarter, definitely doing better this year. So I would say, yes, it is going to be very good. Buy some right here in this major support. If ever it goes further down, just buy some more. You can't go wrong. Malaking chance na you're going to be doing well. As long as MBT does well in the next coming months, this should be a very good strategy for you guys for MBT. Right? Steve Navarro, DNL and AP po. Let's check out DNL. It's a DNL. Respecting the support right here. Okay, looking good. Pero downtrend pa si DNL overall. Yeah, this market is a not aggressive market. You don't have to really go aggressive on this one. Major support is right here. Okay naman takbo nila DNL for this year right? The industries that DNL is serving is doing well, so DNL should be doing good. I would say bodegahin nyo na to, right? DNL, they should not go wrong as long as yung pandemic hindi naman gumarabe pa. I would say yes, you can be aggressive in this. I don't recommend going aggressive on this one. Let it break out lang from the downtrend, man, before you wanna look for a position right now. Overall downtrend pa kasi siya. On the short term, yes, after this rally right here, but we're doing a sideways trend right now. So, yeah, if you base your trade on this box right here, that's a buy, right? That's a buy, sell dito. You can do that for short-term trade. AP po, si AP dapat trick profits na to eh. Right, broke MA20, nag-bounce na dalawang beses. It's gonna be very challenging, man. I would say tapos na itong unang trend ni AP. Mukhang mag-downtrend na to. It's already too late for AP. Let it drop lang muna. If it goes further up, then good. Pero naiwan na tayo dyan. I will not recommend that anymore. I did recommend AP noon dito sa baba on this breakout right here. Kasi masyadong aggressive to. Pinabreakout natin nung nag-breakout. That was it, man. AP was on a tear. Right now, it's already too late. Mukhang magpapahinga na yan. Wala pong forever sa trends kasi. It even broke MA20 already. If it goes up further, I will not hammer myself. I will be okay with it because hindi na siya part sa trading system ko eh, diba? So, you don't really have to chase that anymore. Christopher Romano, Anyong, Mitzi Gonzalez, good evening, Sir Lloyd, good gabi. Romelyn Bonayes, good sir. Let me check ng Meg and Dito. Mega World Corporation yan. Sinabi natin buy na yan, you just buy some more. Bodega na to eh, di ba? Peg natin kay Meg, that was already a buy. Hopefully pinasok niyo na nung sinabi natin buy. Meron tayong 3 bilog dyan. My verdict was buy it there and then buy some more if it goes further down. Bodega na dapat yun. Dapat pinasok niyo na. Meg went up 1.75% today. I would say that's still a buy, right? Na maliit pa naman yung lilipad niya. That could be a confirmation for you guys. Dito. Alright, si Dito, malapit na sa support. Abangan lang muna natin. Nag-engulfing tayo dito. Mukhang magsa-stabilize na anytime soon sa dito. You don't have to be aggressive in this market once again. But, malapit na tayo sa bodega levels. If this goes further down, actually, pwede na to eh. 736. You buy some already right now. Pero gusto ko pa ng confirmation. Let it go green for your confirmation to start buying it and then buy some more if ever mag-reversal talaga. But bodega levels na tayo kay dito. Simulan nyo na mag-bodega ulit. Right, ASEN po sir from Ces Navales. ASEN is way up there. You shouldn't be looking at ASEN anymore. Take profits na yan dyan. We are at no man's land in RSI levels already. So stay away from it. Right. ADA USDT. ADA USDT. This should go up since Bitcoin is going up. There it is. That's a buy right there for ADA. Right. Yung sinabi ko si Bitcoin, buy na. These guys tend to follow. That would have been a buy already. Also Ethereum. Nakabili na ako Ethereum on the support. Bakit? Bought some Ethereum for the Game Ember Sword and Axie. I told you it's a nice time to buy Axie. So, I bought some. Pero hindi... right. So, SLP USDT, there's the stabilization that we are looking for. There it is. So we're now forming a support for SLP. Today is another green day for SLP. Guys, ang ganda ng formation na ni SLP. With the volume and everything, I would say this is already good. That's why I started I started with Axie. I stopped you guys from starting Axie here even. And I told you kung kailan magandang pumasok, I will tell you. And I told you the past few days na magandang pumasok. SLP prices were already very low as I've been monitoring them for quite a while. Dapat sinisimulan nyo na rin. Right? If ever may plano kayong pumasok kay Axie. But then again, always remember, only put in money you can afford to lose. Right? This is NFTs, this is crypto, high risk. Right? Good evening sa mga nanonood sa atin through YouTube. Magandang gabi, Izanagi. Good PM to all. Lawrence Abad, magandang gabi, Sir Lloyd. Idol, Buta. Nabasa na natin to. Love you too, man. Dice, good evening. Good evening, sir. He is from Ian Cesar Villaruel. Dito, we talked about dito already. M-Wide. Ito si M-Wide. Maganda ang support levels ni M-Wide. Massive support right here with divergence. That is your buy levels for M-wide. Actually, bodegahin nyo na yan. We can't be assured that it will still go back to support. Hopefully, it does. And that's gonna be your buy. Greenergy, right? Green. Right, Greenergy. Right, major support. Boom. Engulfing pattern. Let it pull back and then let it confirm the support, and that's gonna be your entry point. Divergence on these supports, that's a buy right there for Greenergy. Good find, Small Kids Blanco. Sir, PHA and BSC po. Salamat. Let's check out PHA. Si PHA after breaking the support. No, hindi. Buy na to si PHA eh. We called it right here, buy na, and then bumalik sa support. That's another buy right there with divergence. So PHA is a buy. BSC, tingnan natin si BSC, yung support ni BSC. Kamusta? So far, so good. Right? BSC support is this one right here. That's a buy. If it goes further down, buy. Bodegahin nyo. That's for BSC. Alright, tapos na tayo sa YouTube. Let's go back to Facebook. ABS-CBN. This is a request from Jason Ignacio. Mustahin natin sa ABS-CBN. Good rally right here. No buy zone. So, stay away from it. This support was beautiful for ABS-CBN. That would have been a buy right there in that area. Sobrang ganda ng support na yan. So, hopefully napasok ninyo. Right now, no buy zone na tayo. Stay away from it. That's for ABS-CBN. Ping-waping. Hello, Sir Lloyd. Any thoughts po kay Ani and MPI? Salamat po. Ani, nagsusupport din si Ani. Ani supports right here. We're seeing divergences already for Ani. So, short-term trades, right? Definitely, short-term trades lang. Support is gonna be your buy. Ingat lang kasi second quarter earnings is big negative. That's a big deficit for Ani. So, baka mabigat pa siya bumagsak. But, we have net foreign buying right here already for Ani. I would say, buy the support then cut loss lang below that. You don't really have... May mga sasabihin ko sa inyo na pwede nyo bodegahin. May mga sasabihin ako, hindi. Ayaw kong bodegahin to because the performance this year is not really that good for Ani. Hopefully, it does better for third quarter. That should help the prices go up for Ani. Okay, Romilin Bonaya, Sir Lloyd, international market naman po. Saan po pwede mag-abang kay Apple and Google? Tingnan lang natin, right? I told you, international market is already topish and nagda-downturn na tayo. Still, baka mag-ano dito, baka... Actually, maganda na to eh, right? 1 for 1 for 70. Pag nag-green ito, confirm ulit yung support. You buy some Apple and then you buy some more when it drops. Nakita nyo yung linya for Apple 13. iPhone 13, grabe. Apple should be doing well also. Google naman, si Google Alphabet, still on a downtrend also. Stay away from it lang muna. Abangan lang natin sa baba. I'm not really sure saan natin aabangan to because these strong stocks tend to just pull back, stabilize by itself, and then bigla lang arangkada. Right? Pag may nakita tayong support, you buy some bodega style sa mga ito, especially sa mga stocks na ito. These are very good innovative companies. I love these companies. Bodegahin nyo lang to. Microsoft even. Yan. Rain. Good evening, sir. CLI and green. Thanks po. We covered green already. That's a buy right there for green. CLI, Sibulan Masters. Galing na. Okay na to. Bilhin nyo na to. You just buy some more. Actually, CLI, isa sa mga company that I can recommend for long term. Ang ganda na real estate dito sa Cebu. CLI has so many projects that are doing well. So, that's the reason why CLI lumipad. Pinabodega ko to noon pa sa CLI. And it's been doing well. Stabilizing already after the massive climb na bumaba na tayo. And it's time to start buying CLI already. One buy right there and then buy some more right here for CLI. Okay? Just erase this. Ayoko kasi madumi. Alright. Good evening, Rain. So, CLI, we're done with CLI. Alright, mabilis tayo ngayon. Good evening, Sir Lloyd from Arvin Velasquez. Please, let's check out Meralco. Right. Meralco. Let's check out Manila Electric Company. Resistance for this is a cup and handle pattern right here. Right? This is good. Okay. Pag nag-breakout to from the major resistance, actually short-term resistance right here. Pag nag-breakout yan, that's gonna be your entry point for That's a good find right there for Good find. Alright, Irene Suzuki, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Maganda bang magbodega ng MY? Thanks. Yes, it's a good company. It's been doing well even this year and napakamura niya ngayon. Second quarter, 113%. First quarter, 179% drop. Kaya hindi siya gumalaw talaga. But there's this recovery for second quarter. Overall, MY has very good projects also. So I would say yes, maganda itong bodegahin. Especially it's at very cheap levels right now. Alright, I guess we answered all. Meron pa, umabol. Si Van Helsing ko. Right, Seb, Cebu Pacific. Right, Cebu Pacific, already stabilizing right here. Meron nag-aabang kay Cebu Pacific noon eh. I'm not sure if it was Van Helsing ko before. Pero this is engulfing pattern right here. Then stabilization, support, short-term trades right there. You can go for this, man. It's just kind of aggressive, but overall, yung position niya kasi sobrang ganda na. So I would say yes, this is good. This is from Van Helsing ko. Alright, so good evening from Clark Gonzalez. LHC, tapos na ba from UAE? Right? LHC, take profits na to, man. Sobrang taas na nito. Yeah, sobrang pula-pula na. We're seeing bearish patterns already. I would say tapos na to. I could be wrong, okay? Pero if ever you are on a winning trade right here, man, use the MA20. Pag nag-break yan, sell everything already. We're seeing so many bearish signals already. I would say sell na to for LHC. It's already way up there. Okay? Sobrang taas na yan. Alright, so that's it for me this evening. Again, I will not be keeping you for too long because it's a Friday night. Pasensya na if ever huli yung audio natin sa live. But then again, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. I'll see you next week. Alright? Salamat po. Ay, update nga pala tayo. Congratulations! Maganda ang gabi ko because of Valkyrie. Valkyrie, hindi tayo nakapag-live kagabi so hindi ko kayo na-update. Well, we are now at 8.73% from 5.69 the other day. Nag 8.63% in a day and now we're closing at 8.73 for Valkyrie. This is just 2 months performance. Congratulations sa may mga Valkyrie dyan. If you're interested in Valkyrie, low risk na account, na bot trading right here. How low? Look at the win rate of this bot. Long positions 1, 78%, almost 80%. Shorts 1, 73%. Sobrang ganda. Overall, 76% win rate. That's a very good win rate for a bot. That's one of the reasons why I love this bot. Binaktest na namin to. Even through the past dalawang, what do you call this? Recession. This was doing well. Why? Because there are shorting. Kahit na bumagba ang market and downtrend, kumikita itong bot na to. Meron tayong mga drops right here. But overall, the recovered trades are still very good. We're now at 8.73% for Valkyrie. Check out what Valkyrie is. Andyan po sa video description ang Valkyrie. Right? Paano ba to? Okay. And Izanagi, we are now at 193%. Inaabangan ko, magsa-celebrate ako pag nag 200% na ito. This account of mine is in public. Nakita nyo naman po yan, verified po yan. Right? Pag nag 200% na ang gains ng account na to, I'm gonna be celebrating. But this is just 9 months. Magta 10 months pa lang ang account na ito. And we're already up 193%. This is a very good bot also. Check it out. Video description. Registration is in the video description also. This is passive income. Right? Why do I say passive income? Because this is the bot trading for you. And this bot is for free. Si Valkyrie may bayad po yun. But sulit din yun. If you are into mas high risk na trading, right? Ganito lang yan. High risk, high reward. Nakita nyo naman, 193%. Pero gaano kataas ang risk? Look at the drawdown. At one point, bumaba ang portfolio ng 42%. This is at 50% drawdown na settings kasi. But the higher the risk that you put in, the higher the returns. Right? So, make sure you understand risk to reward ratio also. This is 1:4 risk to reward ratio. That's so good already. Pero mataasan ang risk dito. Sa Valkyrie, lower ang risk. 11.83% ang lowest point ng account na ito. But that's Valkyrie for you. Right? So, it's up to you kung ano ang gusto ninyo. If you wanna go for high risk, high reward, I recommend wag naman malaking pera ilagay nyo kaano dito. But if you can afford it, if you can risk it, then why not? Ang ganda nito. How good? I've been testing it for you guys before ko announced to. We've been testing this for a year already before I announced this one. Even the back testing, meaning tinesting natin yung results ng bot ito with the previous 15 years of data of the market, and it has been doing well. Yung 50% na settings natin was up already. Ilang percent nga ba yun? 15,000? No. 28,000%. Yung 13 years natin na backtesting. Check out the video. So this one is doing well. Register po kayo dito. Tapos na yung promo natin sa XM, but that should not stop you. Sayang po yung opportunity dito. This is a real account right here, right? And I'm keeping it public for you guys. Check it out. Izanagi and Valkyrie in the video description. Registration is also in the link. Right, that's it for me this evening. I'll see you again next week. Please enjoy the rest of the weekend. Most importantly, please stay safe. That's it. And as always, this is Lloyd Bazaar saying, let's get rich together. Good night, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the evening.